Good morning, children. So today we are going to solve the exercise 1.1. So in that exercise, what are the problems they are given, how to solve. So that we are going to learn today. The first thing is in the exercise 1.1, first question. Read and write the number shown on each abacus. So they are given the beads in the abacus. So how to solve those problems? See here, this is the first sum. In all the exercise, I am taken one sum from the each, and then I am going to solve it here. In the same way, you have to solve it in your notebook. Okay. So here the first one is they are given the beads like that. So we have to count it and then we have to write it down. So they told here read and write the number. So first is we have to write it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 beads are there. So the number is 7 in the ones place and the 4 is in the tens place. 5 beads in the 100 place. Here nothing means it is 0. And in the 10,000 place there are 3. So what is the number is here? 30,547. So this is the number. Okay. So like that we have to write in your notebook. Second question now. So what is there in that? Represent the following 5-digit number on an abacus and write their number name. So here they told to write the number name also. So here what is the first number? The first number is 36,150. 15 is it. So how to read it, how to write it? So according to the places, we know that here it is the ones place, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10,000. So according to that basis, we have to write here also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So on the basis, according to the basis, you have to put those beads. Now 5 means in the ones place, so I have to draw 5 beads in the ones place, and in the tens place 1, and in the 100 place no, 0 means nothing, and then the 1000 place 6. We are in the 6 beads. 6, and in the 10,000 place 3. So we have to draw 3 beads here. And here they told to write the number name also. So how we will read it? 36,000, these two together. 36,015. So that only I will write here. 36,015. So this is how we have to answer the second question. Come to the third one now. Write the number for the following number names. So we have to write the number names here. So they are given the number names. We have to write the number. So the first one is 45,619. So 45 is there. So as we will read the number, we know that these two places we will read together. These two places. So what is the number given? 45. So 45,000. So in the 1000 places I fill it. Next is 600. So in the 100 place 600. Next comes 19. 19 means 19. So 19. Got it? So this is how we have to write. Next question. Read the number and write the number names. So here they are given the number, and then first we have to read it and then we have to write the number name. So how to read it? 46,349. So the same way we have to write the number name also. Like this. 46,349. So this is how we have to write the reading and writing the number names. Okay, now let us come to the E question. Here, what is they are given? Write all the numbers between. Write all the numbers between 21,503 and 21,513. See children, when they tell you like this, So first we should see that what is the number they are given here. So first thing is 21,000, here also 21,000, 500, here also 500. Next we have to continue like that. Means here 0, 3, 2, 0, sorry 13 they are given. So now we have to continue. That is 21,504, comma, next 21,505, comma, next 21,506, 21,507. Always after writing numbers, please give space, little bit more space, because if you not leave, all the numbers will be merged. So if you give space, it will be easy for you also. Here, because of the lack of space, I am writing little bit closer. Next one, 21,508. Next 21,509. 21,510. 21,511. 21,512. So these are the number. Next is 21,513. So these are the numbers between these two given number. Means what we are doing here, we are adding 111 for all. 1. Continuous number ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We have to add here. We have to add 111 for it. Okay. Now let me take the next question. Like that only you have to solve the remaining 3 sums. Next, F. Make the greatest number possible using the following digits and write their number names. So they are given the digits here. By using those digits, we have to make a greatest number. Greatest, how many digits? 5 digits, because they are given here 5 digits. So we have to make a greatest 5 digit number. Okay, so to make it greatest number means in the highest place, means in the 10,000 place, the digit, the number, in the highest place, the number should be high, means the number should be the greater number. So here they are given 3, 9, 8, 4, 6. So what we will do, first we want the highest place and then we should go down. So what we call that? That is the decreasing order. So we have to arrange these digits in the decreasing order. So according to that, what number will come among these? Which is the greatest digit here? 9. So first I will write 9. Next is 8. Next is 6. Next is 4. And then the last one is 3. Okay, now I will make the group. So 1, 2, 3 and then I will put the comma. Now we have to write the number name. So what I will do next? I will put the comma and then I will read it and I will write the number name. So how I can read this? 98,643. Okay. 98,643. So this is how we have to read it and write the number. Remember children, when you are making the greatest number by using any number of digits, always you have to arrange the digits in the decreasing order. But when you are when you are making a smallest number, you have to arrange the digits in the increasing order. You have to arrange the numbers in the increasing order. Then you will get the smallest digit. Okay, so this is how you have to answer for it. Now let us come to the next one. That is the G1. Find the number. What is that? 2000 more than 10,001. So 2000 more than means we have to add here. More than means add. And then how much we have to add here? More means more, extra. So we have to add here. And then how much we have to add? 2000. So 2000 they are given in the word. So what is the meaning of 2000 here? In the word means we will write here as a 2000. More than means we have to add here. For which number? For 10,001. So what I will do? 10,001 plus 2,000 I will add here. So what answer I will get here? 1, 0, 0, 2, 1. So the answer is 12,001. So the answer is what? 12,001. Okay. Now let us come to like that. Here more than means what? You have to add. If they are given the less than, what you have to do? You have to subtract. Less means what? Less means we have to subtract. And like that, if they are given 5 ones, 5 ones means how much? Means we have to subtract only ones, 5. In a one place you have to write 5. Like that 6 tens means 60. Okay, so like that they are given 2000 means 2000 add here. More means add. Less means subtract. Okay, so this you have to remember. Next one. Write down the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number. This one already I explained in the last video. What is the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number? Yes, the smallest is 10,000. And can you tell me what is the greatest here? Greatest is 99,999. So this is the greatest 5-digit number. Now let me take the last question. Counting in thousands. We have to count in thousand. Means we have to add 1,000 for these numbers. Write all the numbers from 71,000 to 80,000. Here counting in thousand means we have to add 1,000 for it, and then we have to write the continuous number. So what is the number here? 71,000 is given. If I add 1,000 to it, how much? You can do one more thing. If you count 1,000 rupee notes, 1, 1, 1, 1, then next number will 1. What will happen if you add one more note to it? 71,000. Next, if you add one more 1,000 means 72,000. So next is 72,000. Adding one more note, 73,000. Next is 74,000. 75,000. 76,000. 77,000. 78,000. 79,000. So these are the numbers. So this is how you have to write the numbers between 71,000 to 80,000 by counting thousands. Okay children, so this is how you have to solve the exercise 1.1. I hope you all are understood, and then I hope you will complete your notebook. Okay, thank you.